Good morning. Today we will be discussing about nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. Nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy is a powerful analytical technique to determine the structure of any molecule, particularly the position of hydrogen atom or other NMR active nuclei. The nuclei which contains odd number of protons, they undergo resonance in presence of external magnetic field when irradiated with radio waves. Such nuclei are called as NMR active nuclei. In short, nuclear magnetic resonance is also termed as NMR spectroscopy. It is a special branch of spectroscopy. Let us try to understand the meaning of this term spectroscopy. Is the study of interaction of electromagnetic waves with any matter, just like in case of X-ray, MRI techniques. There are different types of spectroscopic methods like UV spectroscopy, which is used to find out number of conjugations and type of conjugations between carbon atoms in a hydrocarbon or in any complex organic compound like steroids, alkaloids, terpenoids. IR spectroscopy stands for infrared spectroscopy, which results to stretching of the covalent bond, resulting to giving signals corresponding to different stretching frequencies, which helps us to find out the presence of different functional groups. It helps in functional group detection by observing the IR stretching frequencies, which is obtained with the help of special machines and detectors known as IR spectrophotometers. Another one is mass spectrophotometry, in which a molecule is ionized and its mass is determined with the help of a detector, and with the help of elemental percentage analysis, empirical formula determination, we find out the molecular formula of any compound. Further, the arrangement of the atoms, environment of the nuclei is elucidated with the help of NMR spectroscopy. We will be using these four techniques to solve numerical problems, and then we will have a clear concept of spectroscopic methods. For that, we will require some basic knowledge about the principles of spectroscopy. So let us today discuss only about the basics of NMR spectroscopy. As I had discussed earlier, the nuclei which has odd number of protons shows activity towards radio waves in presence of external magnetic field. Such nuclei are called as NMR active nuclei. The nuclei which contains odd number of protons exhibits nuclear spin. And we know when any charged particle undergoes spinning or oscillation, it produces magnetic moment. We will exploit this property to find out the position of NMR active nuclei, say proton, carbon C13, etc. If any nuclei contains odd number of protons, then it will show a nuclear spin as half integer, like half, 3/2, 5/2, and so on. Just like that of the spin, quantum number of the electron plus half and minus half, just like that itself. The nuclear spin can be even further understood better if we take the analogy of a spinning electron. When an electron spins, it produces a magnetic moment. Just like a charge carrying loop has a magnetic moment associated with it at the center of the loop. So let's first of all study about nuclear spin, which we already know. Can I erase this part?